Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Teaching Hub. Today we are going to learn internal organs in the human body. Brain, this is my brain. Kidney, this is my kidney. Heart, this is my heart. Stomach, this is my stomach. Liver, this is my liver. Lungs, these are my lungs. Small intestine, this is my small intestine. Large intestine, this is my large intestine. Muscles, these are my muscles. Mouth, this is my mouth. Spleen, this is my spleen. Veins, these are my veins. Thyroid, this is my thyroid. Bones, these are my bones. Joint, this is my joint. Eye, this is my eye. Gallbladder, this is my gallbladder. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.